Hey there, and welcome back. If this is your first time here, let us know where you're watching from in the comments. I'd love to personally welcome you. In today's video, we're diving into warehouse jobs in Australia that come with visa sponsorship. Whether you're looking for long-term stability, better pay, or just a fresh start in one of the world's most livable countries, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. We'll break down everything: job roles, salaries, requirements, and how to apply step by step. So, let's get started. Warehouse work in Australia is not only in high demand, it also offers solid pay, long-term job security, and opportunities for visa sponsorship. Due to the ongoing labor shortages and the rise in e-commerce, Australian employers are turning to international workers to fill critical warehouse roles. These positions are perfect for those without a university degree but with a strong work ethic and willingness to relocate. From picking and packing to operating forklifts, these jobs are essential to Australia's growing logistics and retail networks. And with many of these roles offering full-time contracts, overtime pay, and even relocation support, it's a great chance to build a life in Australia. Warehouse workers in Australia are the backbone of the supply chain. Duties may include receiving goods, organizing stock, packing orders, labeling products, operating machinery like forklifts or pallet jacks, and ensuring workplace safety is maintained. Some roles may require physical strength for lifting, while others involve attention to detail, especially when working with inventory or barcode systems. You'll likely be working in shifts, day, evening, or night, depending on the employer. So what do you need to qualify? Work experience. Most employers prefer at least 1 year of warehouse or similar experience. But if you're a quick learner, some companies provide on-the-job training. English language skills. Basic English communication is usually required. Physical fitness. Since the job often involves lifting and long hours on your feet, being in good health is essential. Forklift license. For operator roles, a valid forklift license is a big plus. Clean background. A police clearance or medical exam may be part of the visa process. And most importantly, your employer must be willing to sponsor your work visa, which typically means they'll issue a formal job offer and guide you through the visa paperwork. Warehouse workers in Australia typically earn between $23 to $30 per hour, depending on experience and the region. That's about $900 to $1,200 per week for full-time work. Many of these jobs come with benefits like overtime pay, annual leave, superannuation, Australia's retirement fund system, health and safety training, opportunities to transition into supervisory or logistics roles. Some companies even include housing support or transport allowances for new arrivals. Now, let's talk about where you can find these opportunities. You can start your job search on the following platforms. Seek.com.au, Australia's largest job site. Indeed Australia. Jora Australia. LinkedIn. Workforce Australia, official government portal. When you're on these platforms, make sure to search using specific job titles such as Warehouse Associate, Forklift Operator, Warehouse Supervisor, Store Person, Packing Assistant, Inventory Controller, Shipping and Receiving Clerk, Logistics Support Worker, Order Picker/Packer, Container Unloader. These keywords will help you target the right job listings and make your search more efficient. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of what you'll need to do to apply. The process is simple but requires preparation. First, search for roles using the job titles we mentioned on trusted Australian job portals. Next, Prepare your resume following Australian standards. Keep it clean, clear, and focused on your physical skills, teamwork, punctuality, and any previous experience in similar environments. Once you've applied and received an offer, the company will usually sponsor your visa application. This could be under a temporary skill shortage visa, subclass 482, or another employer-sponsored pathway. The company provides supporting documents, and you apply at your nearest Australian embassy or online. Warehouse jobs in Australia are an amazing entry point for people who want to move abroad, earn well, and potentially stay long-term. With steady demand, generous benefits, and a clear path to visa sponsorship, it's a smart move for job seekers worldwide. Take action now, update your resume, search with the right job titles, and apply consistently. Don't forget, patience and persistence are key in any international job search. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next guide on visa-sponsored jobs abroad. Leave a comment if you have questions, I'm always here to help. Good luck with your job hunt, and I'll see you in the next video.